Generate static electricity when you do the following activities. Activity 1. The balloon and generating electricity. Tools. Balloon, a piece of woolen cloth, small amount of powdered sugar, thread. Steps. Blow the balloon and tie its opening by the thread. Rub the balloon by the woolen cloth. Approach the balloon to the sugar. What do you notice? How do you explain what happens? You may notice the attraction of the sugar particles to the balloon. This can be explained as by rubbing the balloon with the woolen cloth. Some electric charges are formed on the balloon, which attracted the sugar. Conclusion. Rubbing the balloon with the woolen cloth generates static electricity. You can, my dear student, generate static electricity on a ruler by doing the following activity. Activity 2. Pieces of paper and the charged ruler. Tools. A plastic ruler, pieces of paper. Steps. Approach the ruler to the paper pieces. Do the paper pieces move? Rub the ruler with your hair many times. Approach the ruler to the paper pieces. What do you notice? How do you explain what happens? Conclusion. You notice the attraction of the paper pieces only to the rubbed ruler. The explanation of that is, before rubbing the ruler with your hair, there were no additional electric charges on the ruler. However, after rubbing it, some electric charges are formed on the ruler that attracted the pieces of paper. We can conclude from that, rubbing bodies generates static electricity. Notice, my dear student, that the static electric charges are two types. 1. Positive charges, like that formed on a glass rod rubbed with silk cloth. 2. Negative charges, like that formed on an ebonite or a plastic rod rubbed with a wool cloth.